Welcome to Tech Tip Nest. Today, I'll guide you through the steps to enable dark mode on the Instagram app for your Android device. Dark mode changes the background to black, which can be easier on your eyes, especially in low light conditions, and may help save battery life on some devices. Let's get started. Launch the Instagram app on your Android device. Tap on your profile picture icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu, in the top right corner to open the menu. From the menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, tap on Theme. Here, you will see options for light, dark, and system default. Select Dark to enable dark mode on the Instagram app. And that's it. Dark mode is now enabled on your Instagram app. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to drop them in the comments section below. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Tip Nest for more helpful videos like this one. Thank you for watching and have a great day.